Do you want your home screen to look like this one? Then in this video, I'm going to show you the apps I used and how you can get the exact setup on your Android device. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Without wasting much time, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let's get started. This beautiful rainy night wallpaper is one that I got from Wallpaper. Wallpaper has a ton of incredible wallpapers from different categories. Also really known for amazing nature wallpapers, this wallpaper app is powered by Unsplash. Unsplash contains a large collection of high quality wallpapers which are all free to download. The account that uploaded this wallpaper is called Road Ahead. I'll leave a link to Wallpaper and also to this wallpaper for you to download. Moving on to the widgets, the bold widget which says thinking and also shows the date is from Vanilla KWGT, widget number 170. Vanilla KWGT is one of my favorite KWGT widget packs on the Play Store. It has about 180 beautiful widgets that can spice up any home screen. It is free to download, but to use it, you need the pro version of KWGT itself. The minimal monochrome icons I used are from a completely free icon pack called Reeve. They are very minimal and versatile. I've used this icon pack in most of my previous home screen setups, and again they can spice up any home screen. Link is in the video description. The time and Google search widgets at the bottom is from KWGT widget pack called Flow KWGT. Flow KWGT is also one of my favorite widget packs. Just like Vanilla KWGT, it contains very beautiful and minimal widgets that you can use to set up your home screen. And guys, I created this setup with Nova Launcher and KWGT Pro. So to get the exact same setup on your home screen, I've made a backup file of the setup. Just download it and restore it, and only bring the two widgets to the home screen, provided you've installed the widget pack and the icon pack I used. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple home screen setup that I've shared with you. Let me know what you think about it. Please leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and if you love the setup, then please subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.